Welcome to Metchley Hall Annex in Birmingham. As you'll see, we are very traditional with our heritage here in Birmingham. All rooms come door labelled, security locked with privacy lookholes. As you come into the studio apartment, you walk straight into a nice big lobby area. I'll take you around. All of the studio apartments come equipped with notice board, desk chair, 32-inch Freeview TV, shelving, plenty of drawer space and wardrobes. All come with double beds and bedside tables. This room is very light and airy with the lovely windows. As I turn around to the kitchen area, equipped with a full kitchen. So that's a full sink, 3 electric Vector hobs and a full-size oven. And as you can see, plenty of drawer and cupboard space below and above the work surface. I'll take you through now. All studios come with 3/4 fridge freezer, so that gives you ample storage for refrigerated goods and frozen goods. All of the studio apartments are en suite. Door, there you go, so it comes fully equipped with a toilet, lovely shower area, as you can see. Around here you obviously got a lit mirror that's also designed not to condensate while you're using the shower area, but a good sized bathroom.